When you have a healthy liver that can properly detoxify, other areas of your health improve. With a healthy liver, you have less of a chance of developing many chronic diseases, especially liver diseases, such as cirrhosis. The liver is responsible for proper detoxification, breaks down proteins, and it is necessary for optimal digestion. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder work closely together in the body to absorb and digest food. We have a list of foods that are good for the liver. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and bok choy. Cruciferous means a vegetable that is a part of the Brassicaceae or cabbage family. Leafy greens also have high amounts of chlorophyll, which can also help to further detoxify the liver. Citrus fruits. Lemon and other citrus fruits contain at least 15 different antiviral compounds and should be consumed daily by those serious about avoiding liver damage from hepatitis viruses. Some you can start eating include lemons, grapefruit, oranges, and more. They are also high in vitamin C, another vitamin that is essential in proper liver detoxification. Berries. Berries are a potent food for the liver because of their high number of antioxidants and vitamins. There is evidence that berries can help to prevent liver cancer because of their antioxidant properties. Eating more berries can even help to prevent chronic diseases and boost your immune system. Beets. Beets are a powerful blood cleanser, so they are naturally a great choice to improve liver health and functioning. Beets can promote the healing of the liver. When oxidative stress becomes too high in the body, cooked beets also give potent health benefits, so do not feel like you need to always eat them raw or in juice. Nuts and seeds. Many nuts and seeds are high in vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin B6, niacin, and folate. All these B vitamins play a crucial role in absorbing B12. An adequate amount of B12 is necessary to maintain the healthy functioning of the liver. Olive oil. Olive oil is full of healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are important to keep the liver functioning well. This oil can help to minimize fat production in the liver and produce better blood flow. It can also play a role in preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Sprinkle some olive oil on fresh sliced tomatoes with fresh black pepper and salt for a delicious and nutritious snack. Coffee. One 2014 review suggests that over 50% trusted source of people in the United States consume coffee daily. Coffee appears to be good for the liver, especially because it protects against issues such as fatty liver disease. The review also notes that daily coffee intake may help reduce the risk of chronic liver disease. It may also protect the liver from damaging conditions, such as liver cancer. To maintain a healthy liver, it is essential to eat a healthy balanced diet, minimize oils, processed foods, and alcohol consumption. Fatty liver disease can develop from a poor diet as well as excess alcohol.